So, I want you to try this. Are you okay?
No.
No, I don't even. The spirit box. So I was at Permission Whiskey with my friends over there, and my bartender friend, he asked me if I had ever tried a Lychee Martini without a lychee. So I was pretty confused. He made it for me and I was blown away. So I'm gonna make this Lychee Martini and see if my friends over here taste lychee, or if it's just a product of the mind. See, I think he said, if I remember well, he did use the full 1 ounce of lemon juice. And I think he did 0.75 ounces of syrup. He specifically used Grey Goose. So let's do 1.25 ounces of Grey Goose. The secret ingredient that made it lychee tasting was St Germain Elderflower liqueur. So let's say 2.75 ounces. Bam. Let's see. I hope I can emulate that. Let's use nice lemon wheel. This garnish. I'll call them in a second. Let's see first if I accomplished my purpose. Tastes delicious. Habib, so.
Hi.
Hi. So, I made this cocktail.
Yes, what cocktail?
And I want you to taste it. I don't know why this freaking lemon wheel keeps rebelling me. So I want you to try it. I'm not gonna tell you what it is, and I want you to tell me what it tastes like. If you perceive anything. No pressure though.
Ooh. It's kind of giving guava.
Guava?
A little bit. Like there's like a little bit of a citrusness to it that I like. It's good though.
It's good, right? I think I need to remake this recipe. But let's see what Natalie thinks. Hold on.
Okay.
Natalie,
come here.
Come. So I want you to try this. Are you okay?
No.
No, I don't even. I need you to put your. That's a microphone. No, Natalie, put that thing on first, and then you proceed.
Are you already recording?
Yeah, it's been recording this whole time.
I figured. Of course, you never give me a warning.
Well, it's been recording the whole process that I did. Anyways, so I made this cocktail because a friend of mine at Permission Whiskey here in Houston made this cocktail. I want you to tell me if you taste anything specific there, any specific flavors.
That tastes a lot like lychee.
Yeah?
Yeah. And lemon.
You know, there's no lychee in
Kind
it.
of floral.
There's no lychee. Oh shit.
Um,
You know what?
What is it?
I'm tired of this. It's
It's beautiful. I love it.
I feel like I was trying to get that lychee, but I feel like I should adjust the recipe a little bit to add more elderflower. because I don't get as much lychee as I would like, and that's as Sid had whenever my friend made it for me. But it's the lychee with no Lychee Martini. And apparently you can get those notes through the addition of elderflower.
That's really cool.
But
You'll be keeping this.
you'll be keeping it?
Okay.
Maybe I should try another one with... Should I try another one? You want?
Lavender lychee.
Let's see if we can make it taste more like lychee. Like lychee. One more time. I'm gonna try instead 0.75 ounces. I'm gonna switch to 0.5 ounces of syrup. What? 1.25 ounces of this.
That's a lot. $10.
And let's add 1 ounce of St Germain elderflower liqueur.
We're just talking about like
Crap. Barely make it.
My family was not like they were all like oh wow.
Let's see. I hope this tastes more like what I was wanting to achieve. Okay, Javi, there it is. I think this tastes way more like lychee.
Yeah, this is giving lychee now.
The what note?
Lychee? It's giving lychee.
Oh, I thought you said the G note, and I was like, what?
No. It still has like a little bit of a like passion fruit kind of a taste, like that sour juiceness of it. But I think that's just something that comes with that like flavor note with lychee
Yeah.
too.
You want to try it?
Yeah.
Really like fruity.
Mm-hmm.
It almost tastes like lychee, but I don't know. It's like lychee and like citrusy almost.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It's really good. It tastes like a juice.
It's delicious, right?
Yeah.
What alcohol is in it again?
Grey Goose and elderflower liqueur. Well, thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know if you want to see anything specific, anything you like, and Javi and I will make another episode soon of the Chugging Chronicles.
Yeah.
We have something special, so stay tuned, guys. Thank you.